I think my signature style is the unexpected.
The way I've come to my personal style right now is definitely through exploration and trying everything.
I don't feel like you can ever do too much when it comes to your personal style. Love a sequin, love a bright color, love a fun coat.
Is it vintage? Is it new?
Colorful, funky,
Eclectic?
Silky.
Nostalgia.
I don't have any rules I won't break, so everything goes. Hi, I'm Lauren.
I'm Channing.
My name is Annie.
I'm a senior editor,
Fashion writer
at large at
Refinery29.
Today, we're gonna show you how to style this season's hottest trends: statement sneakers and spring sweaters.
So if you're looking to update your wardrobe for spring, I would say the easiest way to do it is to shop Macy's The Edit. They curate all the spring trends. The trend that I'm most excited about for spring would be bold sneakers.
Not only are they a no-brainer in terms of comfort, but they can also actually add an edge to an outfit.
I'm wearing sneakers with suits, I'm wearing sneakers with dresses. There's really not a place where I wouldn't put a sneaker on, honestly.
For me, this is my ideal travel look. I fly a lot for work, and at the same time, I need to be able to hop off the plane and meet with clients or get things done. While I've got the athleticism on top, I'm ready for work on the bottom. I've finished off my outfit with a pair of crisp white sneakers that are comfortable and practical, but still add a lot to the outfit.
I am not a sneaker girl per se, but if I'm going to wear a pair of sneakers, they need to be bright, funky, an interesting pattern, give me the works. This look also would work for you if you were going to the office and then maybe out on a date later, a fun date where you have to be active because you've got your cute dress on, but also your fun sneakers.
I would wear this look in a ton of places. To me, this would be perfect for a brunch out with the girls. It would be perfect for a night out. It's got a short skirt, but it still feels casual enough that I could wear it all day. Because I have pink hair, I think a monochromatic pastel look is a really fun way to play with contrast, and a bright white shoe really brings it all together and makes it feel clean and fresh. For spring, I'm really excited about sort of transitional pieces like spring sweaters, something that's light enough but like also keeps you a little warm if it's not quite summer yet.
I have an FOBC, it's a fear of being cold, and for that reason I love a spring knit because you can just throw it on a spring look and it adds to your wardrobe instead of detracting from it.
Spring sweaters are not your grandma's sweaters. They are in fun colors and interesting textures and fabrics, and you can really mix and match them into your existing wardrobe.
So today I'm wearing something that I think is a great mix of different styles of clothing that you might not think go together. So I'm wearing a sweater that's a little sporty, a little athleisure, with a skirt that's really classically feminine and soft. I think with the right accessories, this could be something you wear out at night to a dinner with your girlfriends or something. I think if you have a casual office environment, this is totally appropriate for that. You're covered up, but it's still really fun and fresh and young.
I have styled my sweater tied at the waist. I'm wearing it over a floral dress. I really like mixing patterns in this way because it's unexpected. I would wear this outfit to brunch. I really like how put together it looks.
I like mixing and matching bold prints, y'all. This is a light spring knit in a funky tie-dye print, and I'm wearing it over a longer ladylike gingham dress that has a bunch of detailing with this front zip right here. I finished off the look with a red slip-on mule, a little bit Dorothy, but very 2019. And I never leave the house without an earring. These are really sparkly and spangly, so even if I'm not feeling fresh, I look it. I'm dressed from head to toe, but I'm feeling completely me. And of course, these are pieces that could stand alone, but together they make not much sense and yet perfect sense.
I love shopping online at Macy's. They have The Edit, which is this amazing curated collection of looks that have all the hottest spring trends. It allows me to buy the whole look at once. I can do accessories, shoes, and the look all together.
They have printed sweaters, awesome mix and match pieces, and of course, statement sneakers.
You can find what totally works for you and get it all in one place.